We'll guide you through how to use Wix Velo to enhance your website with custom code and advanced features. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and log into your account. Navigate to your site dashboard, then click on the Edit Site button to open the Wix editor. Once you're in the editor, look at the top menu bar and click on Dev Mode. From the dropdown, select Turn on Dev Mode to enable Velo. You'll notice that a new panel opens at the bottom of your screen, which is the code panel where you can start writing your code. Now, to add a new feature, you can use the Wix API documentation, which you can find by clicking on the question mark icon in the code panel and selecting API reference. This is where you can explore various functions and libraries available to you. For example, if you want to create a custom form submission, you can start by going to the Page section in the code panel and selecting the page where you want to add the form. Then, use the $$ selector to access the elements on your page and write the code that will handle the form submission, like validating inputs or connecting to a database. You can test your code directly in the editor by clicking the Preview button in the top right corner. This allows you to see how your changes look and work in real time. If everything functions as expected, click Publish to make your changes live on your website. Don't forget to explore the Examples section in the API reference for pre-written code snippets that can save you time and effort. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.